today. Can see my forehead. Oh. Okay guys, thank you so much. I need to end my live na. Bye-bye. Grabe ang init, tingnan nyo. You can see the I am sweating. Yeah. It's very hot, really. Whew. Got an adore is the rice with 2 fighting cup roasters. Maybe it's expensive because we buy rice here. But we don't eat rice. Mostly we eat the corn grits. Corn grits. You know what is the corn? And we so I'm sweating a lot. I will learn your language. I promise. I know it's difficult, not impossible. Okay. Thank you, Chris. You are Chris, ha? You're so pretty. Thank you, Pico Side. Bye, viewers. Hello, guys. Thank you, Pico Side. Thank you so much. 3 viewers and 4. Shout out. If I wear this one, I look like 60 years old. Two viewers and 4. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. What is that? It's that water? Yeah, I need to drink more water. I don't understand you, but I like the way you speak and sing. Maybe in 2 months, Chris, I will sing here in YouTube. Because my blow a kiss to us, please. Charot. My speaker, like the speaker, it's broken. So I cannot sing anymore. But maybe soon, in 2 months, I don't know if I get my salary here in YouTube because it's been 3 months. So this August, it's like 4 months, I don't have salary here. So, yeah. I don't think in September if I have. But if I can get my salary, I will buy a speaker or like a sound card, I think, so that I can sing. Why you don't wear it look 16 years old? When you don't wear 16 years old, are you sure? I'm so old, very old. Very old. Yeah. If I am wearing, I look like 60, right? So I don't wear it. Charot. So 3 viewers and 4. Hello.